Hey everyone, so I would love to show you how I edit this lovely image. It's Christina's image. I believe she's very beautiful, so it will be a minimal editing. My live Facebook is not working, so we will have to work with what we have. So we keep the original ratio. I will just crop it a bit, just above her knee, just so it's just in there. I'll show you a couple more images and I'll crop it tight a tad, and again I will push it this way. Another image of her in blue dress. In here I am prepared to do some extension of the backdrop, we will see. And another one, so again she's on white. We'll just do that for now, and then I will be able to extend the backdrop easily. And move this one here, and let's put this on white. So if I want to extend the backdrop on this one, I will love to be on white, and I'm not sure why it's not top white in there. And let's move that. So let's put her in the middle right here and crop it a bit tighter, and then we will blend all this part, which is not very hard. Just a bit of matching of my white. And pretty much that's done. But I will show you my favorite image, this one. And there is not much to do on here besides fixing the backdrop. Because this backdrop, it's one of my favorite backdrops, but it's made from two backdrops together because I don't have enough backdrop for it. Alright, we fix this one here, so it's pretty much done. Then I will puff her hair a bit, just because, as you know, we don't always have an assistant, even though today I had one, to move our hair. So I don't need to do anything else. Besides, I think a little bit of her belly, make her a bit rounder here, because she was pushing her hand a bit harder on her belly, and I didn't realize that. And make her dress a little bit closer to her body. And these are folds created by the material, by the posing, so she's beautiful as it is, and I don't need to do too much, just minimal modification, because she's posed well. And yeah, then we do a little bit of a skin retouching, and this is again super easy to do. I do have brush from or a preset. Where are you? Blotchy Skin. and I will just apply the splotchy skin and soft skin smoothing, and pretty much it's done. Not too much to do on hers because she's beautiful as it is, and it's all about posing and lighting and making sure that the material falls beautiful on her skin. Okay, I use my clone tool, so let's do it in here. And because we know what women doesn't love soft smooth skin, especially because during pregnancy you get those blue spider veins all over our bodies. So pretty much I just make sure that she's a little bit her little spider veins are covered. So I'll do the same process with each image. It's not a lot to do, as I saw. I'll remove some of those stretchy marks before and after. It's a slight change, not a big change. I'll take my tool to remove any pimples, and because we applied a very beautiful makeup, we don't need to do too much. I'll just remove those little veins. There's something on my dress and in here. So I always say to my mom, don't worry, you come in the studio and you tell me what you don't like, and I will make sure that that will be fixed. So pretty much she's done. I do apply sometimes another filter. Let's see which filter I have here, and nothing else. This is a little bit strong, but we will reduce the opacity in a second. And like I said, if your lighting is good, if your camera setting is right, you don't need to do too much in Photoshop. Just a little bit of darkening of background. And because I work in layers, as you see, it's a non-destructive image. I do a little bit of smoothing of the background, and it's all done. So I hope you enjoy this little editing tutorial done from today's session. Alright, and if we do a history, you can say I've started here and I've changed it here. Not a big change, slight changes, because I don't like to change the human body as long as I pose them correctly and as long as my light is perfectly done. So till next time, have a great day and see you soon. Victoria here from Lifetime Story Photography. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye!